up, everybody? This is Blues Pokemon Mixer number 23. There's everyone's name here. You have one Black Bolt and one White Flare ETB and two, is it two 151 boosters? Yes, two 151 booster bundles. Dice roll. We're going 8 on the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final, 8 times. Pokemon 1. But Masterpieces is next. Getting my sheet, we'll get right into it. All right, we'll start off with the 151 booster bundles. And then we're going right into Masterpieces after this, guys. Take it. And then, oops. And I think the only Pokemon we'll have for now is the Black Bolt, White Flare ETBs. Growlithe, Stormy, to the 1 and Jimmy. We're riding against Pokemon. I'll be quick, guys. We'll be quick. Kadabra, Mewtwo, Zero, and Eric Toy. Take your 151. Take your Marvel Masterpieces, guys. That is next. It's right there. Should be down to 5. Tangela, Nidoking to the 4. Jimmy Fan. Metapod, Articuno to the 4 spot, and Jimmy. Guys, Pop is going to be off tomorrow. It will be back on Monday, I believe. Chauncey to the 3, and Randall. Oh, nice energy. And then Disney releases next week, guys. Who's ready for some Disney? Puff, Vaporeon to the 4, and Jimmy. I'll have to check, Chris. I'm not sure. Me and Hama, we are going to be at PSA. I know Blue and Swish will be doing Disney release. But we're also doing it at PSA too, so guys can get your Disney cards graded. Next booster bundle. Oh, it's on Monday. I'm trying to think. Pidgeot, Psyduck, Venusaur on the EX, Double Wear to the 3, and Randall. It's so weird to see like Jaden, like like the real name, Blue's real name. Tharion. Oh, Jinx EX full art to the 1 spot, and Jimmy. I just know him as Blue. He's blue. Muck. Dragonite. Kabutops to the 1 spot, and Jimmy. Oh my. Blame Cress. It's Cress's fault. Tentacool. Shoulder. Beedrill to the 5, and Jimmy. And this is to the 7, and Noah's. Who's Kevin? So, what would you have guessed what Blue's name? Oh, Poliwhirl on the IR. To the 6, and Oliver J. Oh, that's cool. What would you guys guess would be Blue's like legal name? Poliwhirl. Dodrio. 5. Dodrio. Jimmy Fun. Guys, Masterpieces Marvel is next. That is next. Take it. Sanchu. Scyther. Machop. Machop to the 8. And Jimmy. Music didn't know. Oh boy. Everyone's finding out everyone's legal names. Or real names, I should say. What would Music think? Music, what do you think his name... What would you have thought his name was? Everyone blame Crest. Everyone can tell Blue what Crest did. Alright, let me get cleaned up. We'll get into Black Flare, Black Bolt, and White Flare. Ken? Does he look like a Ken? Chris? Maybe like a Chris? I think a Chris, maybe. Franklin. Oh yeah, like a Kyle? Yeah. Oh yeah, Ken. That's funny. All right. Chris in trouble. He is. Black Bolt. I go back and forth. Black Bolt and White Flare. I think we're off to a nice start. There he is. Her Kyurem EX. Double rare to the 8. And Jimmy. I don't know his age. That's going to be like the next thing. Chris is going to be like, oh yeah, that Jaden, aka Blue, is like 20 something, or I don't know. He's going to be telling everyone his birthday. Buffalant. EX to the 7 and Noah's. I actually don't know how old he is. I thought he was my age. Crystal to Pokeballs to the 2 and Jamar. Landorius on Hollow to the 3 and Randall. Energy Hollow to the 7 and Noah's. We get it, Hamma. We get it. Mommy's gonna kick her butt. It's okay. She can have her moment. Oh, Swalloon. IR to the 8 and Jimmy. That's cute. I like that. Samarat to the 3 spot and Randall. I need to double look at these numbers because I messed up the last time. La Primera. We get it, Hamma. We get it. Ashwat. Our Chops to the 1 and Jimmy. Yeah, Hamma, do you know who that is? Zero Spot and Eric Choi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is happening. How do you know? How do you know he knows? Pokeballs to the 2 spot and Jamar. Oh, Sneevy to the 7 and Noah's out of nowhere. IR. Oh, awesome. Yeah, I think he came in and grabbed it. Conrad to the 6 and Oliver. Awesome, Eric. Two spot and Jamar. 0 spot and Eric Choi. Alright, let me case and sleeve some. Welcome back, Benedict. Guys, Marvel Masterpieces is next. It's going. Might have to save some casing and sleeving for later. think this is the last mixer we have right now, guys, for Blues Mixer at the moment. Take your 2 ETPs, a Black Bolt and White Flare. Okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah, I think I remember you telling me that too. Thank you for reminding me. The what on the Pokeballs? EX of Buffalent to the 7. Oh wait. This is to the 2, Jmar. And then this is 7, Noah's. I like the ATPs. Genesect EX to the 7 and Noah's. Nice! Baldor on the IR to the 8 spot. And Jimmy. Hurakion to the 4 and Jimmy. We have 6 packs left. 3 in each. Pokeballs to the 4 and Jimmy. Victini. I want to pull the red of that. Berartic to the 6 and Oliver J. Perleon to the 5. Jimmy in the Pokeballs. Got the toe to the 3 and Randall. And the energy on the hollow to the 4 and Jimmy. Okay, there's 2 more packs in both. A lot of different IRs in these cases, or breaks so far than the beginning. Oh, what's that? Might be a full art. Oh, Escardrill to the 0 and Eric Choi on the full art. And to the 9, that's Ruiz. Oh, wow. First time I'm seeing his IR. To the 3 spot and Randall. There you go, Randall. Nice IR. This is to the 1 and Jimmy. Last 2 packs. I don't know. It doesn't matter to me. Pokeballs, 5 and Jimmy. 12, 3. Randall. Last pack, white flare. There's Ruiz. He took his Pokemon. Fossil, 9, and Ruiz, Ducklet, and Boar, the 3, and Randall. Yeah. Nothing crazy out of that one. I'm sorry. Some IRs, but nothing crazy. Move some of these. Ah! Scary. Okay. Give me a second, guys. To the 7 spot. 7, 1, 5, 5, 8, 1, 0, 3, 4, 4, 3, and 4. 4, 5, 2, 2, 5, 9, 2, 7, 7, 7, 3, 1, 6, 0, 8, 8, 8, 3, and 7. That is the break. I need to random the promo cards and sleeves. So 4 different randoms, 1 dice. Dice row. 7 on the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then final. Eric Choi. The sleeves. Same dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final. Eric Choi again. Promo card for White Flare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final. Noah's. And the sleeve. Last random. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. Oh wait, no, it's 8. Yeah, 8. Jimmy. That is a break. Thank you.